Sexy welding people from YouTube, how you guys doing? I hope you guys having a good day. If you're working, hopefully a safe day. Today's video, guys, I'm gonna do some TIG welding with my classic 300 MP welding machine. MP right here stands for multi-process, so this machine can do MIG, TIG, and stick. I bought this machine exclusively for stick welding, but I'm gonna do some TIG to see how good can TIG. I have never TIG with this welding machine before. I have TIG a little bit before. I got paid to do some TIG and some job. Not my best side of welding, to be honest with you guys. TIG welding, I liked it, but that's just not, it's not into me, you know. It's like a love and hate thing, you know. Right now, we don't like each other. We have never liked each other, all right. But I'm just gonna, I bought me some argon. I have my TIG torch right here ready, so we're gonna test it out and see how good it was. All right, so stay tuned and let's get to it.
Approximately 10 hours later.
All right, guys, so we have everything we need here. We have our gloves, we have a flow meter right here, we have our TIG torch. This is how we're gonna control the amperage. We're gonna go down and up with the control. We have our ground right here, and we have our welding leads. Machine is on, so we're ready to roll. All right, guys, so when we're doing TIG, we're doing reverse polarity. All right, so this is our negative, all right, from the coming up from the welding machine. All right, so this is gonna go in our TIG gun torch. Negative is gonna become our positive. All right, now we have our positive coming out from the welder, and this is our ground right here. So the positive is gonna go on the ground, all right, because that's how reverse polarity works for TIG. All right, now we're just gonna hook up our flow meter to our little argon that I just bought this morning. All right, now we're just gonna hook up our hose to the flow meter and to the torch, and we should be good to start doing some TIG. All right, guys, so I pressed some metal right here. I clean it real good. When you're doing TIG, you want to clean it as good as possible as you can. We're gonna get some filler metal right here. This is some ER70S2. So I'm gonna do some runs right here. Right now we're in third gear, and I'll probably do maybe 40. All right. One of the things that you have to keep in mind when you're doing scratch start TIG is this thing is live right now. So if I let go, if it falls or whatever, it's gonna arc. So you have to be really careful not to accidentally do a scratch and arc, you know. So I'm gonna control my argon with this knob right here, which I haven't opened yet. You can hear it. All right, guys, so I'm just doing a couple of runs. Like I said, I haven't taken a while, probably more than a year. I'm not walking the cup, as you can see here. I'm just free-handed, checking out what temperature should I need. Thing is coming up pretty good, I think. Just free-handed, playing with it. Right now, you can go a little bit up in the temperature. I think in this is 1.8 filler rod, so I'm just gonna go up a little bit. But I think I'm doing good. Just need more practice and keep welding. this is how you crash start in slow motion, guys. You barely want to touch, and just do it trying to think about it like a match, but very soft, very gentle. When doing crash start, sometimes you dip your tungsten into the metal, and that's okay, but the more you practice, the better you get to it. To start the torch, it just takes practice. Yeah, I think third gear in 16. Pretty good. It is hot outside, guys. Right here in Arizona, we're like 102 right now. Damn. Stay hydrated, alright? I don't want you guys to pass out. If you're wandering outside like me on 102-degree weather, make sure you stay hydrated, alright? Cheers. Alright, well, we're just gonna keep doing more beats, and probably gonna get a coupon ready in a bit. Probably just gonna fill this plate with beats, probably a couple more, you know, probably do some stainless too, see how it welds. No problems at all, just need to practice. I'm super cold and thick. Yeah, it's alright. I'll do some stainless steel now. I'm gonna do some runs, see how it works. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna have to upgrade my little argon tank to full size one, because I need to practice a lot. Alright, like I said, you know, I'm super cold with TIG right now, but yeah, I need to get a big bottle of argon and just keep practicing, keep welding. I have a lot of filler metal rod, so I just need the argon, because I also want to practice stainless steel pipe. It's been a while. I did a super coupon stainless steel, but it was like 3 years ago. Actually, it was a schedule 80. It wasn't like a super coupon like carbon steel, but with that you had to purge your pipe, so it uses a lot of argon, which, you know, back then when I was in school, you know, we used the argon from school, or when you are at work, you know, you use the argon from work, which is sweet. But now all the consumables, everything, if you want to practice, you have to buy in or get in yourself. So yeah, I'm probably gonna get a big bottle. Right now I got a coupon right here, using some stainless to carbon steel, and came out all good, I think. I have some gold and some bluish, so I think it was a little bit hot. It was a little bit hot, yep, but came out right. So this is stainless steel and this is carbon steel, so I use a carbon to steel rod. But yeah guys, this is how my classic 300 welds. There's no excuses. The machine welds nice. It's just me need more practice to do better welds, do some pipe maybe in the future, and get it done. Alright, so alright, my sexy welding people from YouTube, so there you have it. Now you know how a $17,000 welding machine takes. It had no problem at all doing TIG, scratch start TIG. It was good. I liked it how it welded. I welded with the Miller TIG welding machine. I welded with Lincoln TIG welding machines, converter ones, and I didn't see any difference really. I really liked it how this machine weld. So I mean, this machine can do any TIG projects that you might have. All right, pipe, structure, whatever the job might be, pretty sure you can get it done. So I will see you for today's video, guys. I hope you guys having a good day. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time. All right, adios.